The HAZET product management team is proud to introduce you to two new cordless impact wrenches, 9212-1000 and 9213-1000. These cordless impact wrenches are available with 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch output sizes respectively, covering a vast range of applications and tasks and delivering torque where and when you need it. Both variants ship with a battery charger and include either 1 or 2 battery packs. Both of these mobile tools provide plenty of power for tightening and loosening, with 1,400 Nm loosening torque and 1,000 Nm for tightening. The tightening power can be set to one of 3 levels to ensure compatibility for bolts rated at specific torque limits. Both impact wrenches have a weight of 3.7 kilograms, including the battery pack. The compact, low-wear brushless DC motor used in both wrenches allows these tools to deliver force effectively despite their small overall size. Among their many useful features, both wrenches provide an LED light to illuminate the work area. Like other tools in the HAZET range, touching the trigger switch will light up the LED before power is engaged. Both wrenches include a belt clip that can be mounted on either side, letting you keep your wrench close by and easily accessible at all times. The HAZET battery packs are powerful lithium-ion batteries with low self-discharge characteristics. Both wrenches include powerful 5 amp-hour packs that can be fully charged in around 80 minutes using the included charger. The full range of cordless HAZET tools is, of course, compatible with all HAZET battery packs. Both sets ship in robust plastic cases fitted with metal clasps that let you efficiently store all the required components. Compact and cordless, the 9212-1000 and 9213-1000 impact wrenches provide enough power for even the toughest bolts.